Good evening, Dr. Shirisha, and heartiest congratulations on
Good
clearing the
evening, sir.
December FMG exam. And I can see your study table behind, and it
Thank
talks the entire
Thank you,
pressure that
sir.
you had gone through throughout this preparation.
Yes,
Please
sir.
let me know about you, Shirisha. Like, where are you from
Sir,
in
sir,
India, and which
I'm from Jinzhou Medical University, China, sir. I'm 2014 batch, Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry? Okay.
My parents, in the beginning, my parents weren't like, they don't want me to go so far. I
Mhm.
didn't get seat over here, so I had to go there.
Mm.
I faced a lot, but finally I got through it.
Nice, nice. And Shirisha, like, how was your journey throughout your university life? Like, when did you become serious about academics? When were you, more focused towards preparation, or were you a studious student from the first year?
Sir, from the first year, I wasn't very, means like, uh, I did not give much importance to FMG exam.
Okay.
And once when I was in the end of fourth year, you came to our university. I
Hmm.
still remember the question you asked us. You asked us which artery passes through anatomical snuff box.
Hmm.
An entire class of 60 members, even our class toppers couldn't answer it. Then I came to know the difference between by hearting, passing the exams, and learning the subject. And
Nice.
after that, I came to Arise for 1 month bridge course, sir, in the year 2019 January.
The vacation batch, you mean to say?
Yes, sir. For vacation batch, I came for 1 month.
Hmm.
And after that, this 2020, I came from China because of this corona and all. I couldn't go back to finish
Okay.
my internship. I
Hmm.
got time. I got back into Arise. Luckily, means like they few staff over there already knows me because I did my vacation batch over there.
Okay.
They helped me. I was late for 1 month. I
Mhm.
joined in the month of February, ending of February,
Okay.
and I took notes. As I means like whatever the class was going on, I never failed to attend
Okay.
everything. Yeah, I like that. It helped me, sir.
Okay. And what was your experience in the vacation batch? I mean, did you find it useful, or did you think it was too early, or was it important to give you the orientation?
So before that, we used to have some notes. As just we had some notes, as, and people who are like our seniors just read these notes and go away like that. But I tried reading anatomy, biochemistry. I couldn't get anything. I learned anatomy, biochemistry, all first year subjects, and forensic medicine and dermatology, everything in that vacation batch only. I came to know what it is exactly, how
Okay.
I should study for the exam.
Okay.
Then I came to know, sir.
So basically, the orientation was built already during the vacation, and it helped you carry
Uh,
the momentum in your main
yes,
preparation.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what did you like? Because you have experienced us in the offline also and the online. What is your favorite?
Sir, both, sir. I can't judge one because the dedication Arise shows is different completely from others.
To know like about your anatomy. What I wanted to ask was, Arise in offline that you attended in a vacation batch, and Arise in online.
Yes, sir.
Did you? What is your choice if given a option?
Sir, Arise direct only, sir, offline.
Nice,
That
nice,
study
nice.
mode and all over
The
there.
the
That
whole ecosystem that you need. The
yes,
whole
sir. Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. And Shrisha, like, how was your focus, your major source of preparation? Was it only the classroom notes, or did you take up more resources also?
No, sir. Completely. This time, I did not want to jump through many resources I had. I
Mm.
just stuck on to my notes, which I wrote through Arise online classes.
Mm.
Actually, last time what happened is February when I joined Arise, they
Mm.
taught few subjects before this lockdown.
Mm.
They taught means like Arise taught it again in online classes also. Offline, online we had three almost 2 to 3 times the
Okay.
classes.
Yeah.
So whatever the classes I missed there, I could attend over here.
Mm.
But the notes that I wrote only I read it again and again. I did
Okay.
not go for any other stuff.
Okay. And what about your test taking strategy, Shrisha? Were you very focused on taking regular exams, or were you more focused on, learning theory and concepts? What was your, or did you balance it out well?
So I think I balanced it, and rather than solving some random MCQs daily, I used to write Arise exams on Arise apps.
Okay.
And I used to attend each and every test and discussion. Means like if I don't write the test also, I used to sit for test and discussion. That
Okay.
helped me a lot, sir.
Nice. Nice.
Mm.
So around 70-80% of theory and 20 to 30% of MCQs. Was this
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Shrisha, like, what did you feel good about the classes? I mean, any special mention about the way the classes were, or any special faculties that you would like to mention?
So I can't means like first thing you timings were so means like flexible, sir. We never felt
Mm,
today we are not having any class, we are completely free, we are completely lost. We never felt like that. And
mm,
the notes which if we can't write notes on online, we used to get PDFs of those classes from Arise faculty, and that helped us a lot. And means like specifically Azam sir and
yes.
Ismail sir, you, and I really learned a lot from you, sir, from you all.
Like, what would you prefer? Having a notes ready-made given to you, or do you like to write your notes, or is it fine for you? Anything works for you?
Yeah, means like I prefer writing notes on my own, sir. Means like I can write and I can learn. I would prefer that.
And Shirisha, like, there must be a time period that you must have felt that no, I have to get serious. What was that time period during your university course that you shifted from being a laid back and a relaxed lifestyle to a complete exam mode? What was that? When was
Uh,
that change actually?
so last December, I did my friends so many passed. They attended Arise classes continuously. And last 2019 June also, my friends who did not do intern over there in China, they came back, they joined Arise and they cleared June exam. They started doing the intern. And this all made me become serious, completely serious. And last December also, few of our friends started, they started doing their intern. They qualified last December exam. So I thought I should become serious and I joined in the month of February in Arise. Actually, last August I scored 148, sir. I thought I
Okay.
would clear it that time, but
Mm,
the basics which I learned them then helped me
mm,
this time. This time the
okay.
exam was a bit easy also. Those basics helped me this time.
So,
Mm,
that was good that, you continued with your journey, continued with your preparation, not getting disappointed with the very bad exam that we had to face in August, and, maintain the momentum throughout till December. And, a 148 score in that thing. So many students who have got 148s, 149s this exam, they must be all disappointed. But,
yes, sir.
they should understand that it is all about, being persistent,
Yes,
persisting with
sir.
your efforts and going forward. And how were you very disappointed, Shrisha? How did you overcome that phase after August?
I was really disappointed, and I did not. September 12th came the results, sir. I did
Okay.
not touch my book. September full month, I did not touch. I talked to you at the end of September.
Mm,
Then the way you spoke to me, I started studying again,
nice,
and
nice,
I got through it, sir, this time.
nice, nice.
Yes.
And this is your basic study room.
These
What all?
all are my notes, sir. All
Nice.
handwritten notes.
So this was the place that you were occupied since
Yes,
February,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Daily.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yes, sir.
And really happy and proud of you, Shirisha,
Thank you so much,
the
sir.
whole stress that you have taken through. And what would be your advice to some of your juniors listening to you, or people abroad in the universities, different atmospheres and countries? What do you think? They are also panicked about this exam, worried about this exam. How do you think they should approach this?
The first thing is to be consistent, sir. To
Mm,
be very consistent and to be stable with whatever material or whatever source we choose. We should
mm,
stay with that only constantly. And it
okay,
is like now or never, sir.
nice.
And one more thing you told, I remember is 149 is equal to 0 and 150 is equal to 300. I still believe that. That one mark changes us.
Yes, I hope this motivates most of the students who are listening to you, and many of the students who have come very close in the exam and feeling disappointed. It is time to pull up your socks and continue the journey. It is not done until you get this over. And really happy for you, Srisha, and
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, congratulations once again.
Thank
Regards
you,
to your
sir.
family. You
Thank
have
you,
made
sir.
everybody of us proud, your family, all your teachers, right? So everybody of them feel happy on your success. We wish you more
Thank you, sir.
success and happiness coming through.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. God bless you, Srisha. Okay.
Thank you so much,
Nice.
sir.
It's been nice knowing you. And We
Thank
hope
you,
to see
sir.
you helping many patients out there in the field, and have a wonderful life ahead, Shrisha. Okay, God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Take care.